gonna unbox the Moterm Companion Travel Journal. That's what it's called on their AliExpress store. If you get it off of Amazon, I believe it's called the Companion Traveler's Notebook. But either way, it's the same thing as far as I'm aware. It's the same price, about $45. But let's go ahead and unbox this. I will be going to New York shortly, so I wanted something compact to bring with me. So that's why I chose the Moterm Companion Travel Journal. So when you take it out of the box, it's got your journal in this desk cover here. It's got some extra elastics here. So if you wanted to add some notebooks, you can. This already comes with 3, but let's go ahead and take this out. So I went ahead with the black pebbled journal. So this is what it looks like. So this is the passport size. It's got a little bit of a little dings in it because I had already taken it out previously, but it's fine. And it's got this button closure, and they have 2. So if you need to expand it, you can. It's got a pen loop right here. Go ahead and open it. It's got this zipper here, the zipper pocket. Let's see. Pocket right here. Smaller pocket here for a card. Another pocket right here. Then it comes with the 3 inserts here. It's got the lined grid, and then I'm assuming this is the dotted. Oh, it's just blank. Okay. And then in the back we have another large pocket here, and then it's got, I don't know if you can see it very clearly, but it's got like 3 card slots in the back. So if you want, I guess if you use this as a wallet, which you can, it does have like a section here if you want to put your cash or receipts or whatever in the back there. And it's got another slot right here. It's got the Moterm label right there. Again, this was $45 off of AliExpress, and it is the Moterm store on AliExpress, so it's the same price if you purchase it off of Amazon, but I went ahead and got it from AliExpress because Amazon didn't have it in this color. I believe they only had like a mustard or yellow, burnt orange, and I can't really remember which else, but I know, the gray one, or it's like a gray taupey color, but I wanted the black one for New York, so I just went ahead and got this one. And I want to say it probably took about maybe 2 weeks. It was less than a month. Normally if I get stuff from AliExpress, it could be like a month before it gets here, but I believe sometimes they have like warehouses in the States, and so you can get your items a little bit quicker if that's the case, instead of coming straight from China. But yeah, so anyway, this is the Moterm Companion Travel Journal or Traveler's Notebook. And I will be setting this up for my upcoming trip to New York, so maybe I'll show it to you next, or at least I'll show you what I'll be bringing, but I'll have a setup of this notebook soon. Okay, thanks for watching.